guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a makeover video. I know I look bad, but let's get started into the video. First I'm using Gopinath pancake, which is shade in 24. It's focusing. Okay, 24. I'm gonna use the sponge to blend it in my face, not a blender. Okay, this is white. And first it will look white, but second it will look good. So don't worry about that. I'm gonna do it to my face. Okay, don't worry. It's gonna do it. It's gonna happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's good. It's good. It's good. So I'm gonna just blend it in my face completely under my eye. Next is a pancake number in 26. I'm gonna also use that sponge to blend it in my face. It's also a white shade, but it make a little yellow, but not just too white. After that I'm gonna use a yellow shade one. It's gonna make your face completely good, like some yellow, some whiteness in your face, so it's good. I applied. After that I'm gonna do my eyebrows, but this look like brown and this black. I don't use that. I'm gonna use a eyeshadow shade black, and first I'm going to just redo my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna use this one spoolie brush, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrow. It's tough sometime and sometimes it's not, so I'm gonna just shape my eyebrows and then I'm gonna refill it just like that. Sometimes I found it hurt and sometimes don't. Then I'm gonna make a sharp line to make it even good, and after that I'm gonna do it on my other eyebrow. It's look good already. Then I'm gonna fill it. Fill. After that I'm gonna use the spoolie brush to smooth, and then I'm gonna use powder. I'm gonna bake. So I don't usually bake, but I'm gonna bake today. If you think what bake is, that is not bake. I'm gonna use some specific sprays, like my nose area, like my under eye, like when you do your contouring. I'm gonna do there. So I'm gonna sing my song. I'm gonna just bake there. I usually just put much powder the specific area and put lighter powder other area. So now I'm gonna take a brush and just apply it to all over my face. Now I'm gonna apply to my eyes and blend it again. So the place is perfectly baked. So now the next part is eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. After that I'm gonna take some powder, so if any eyeshadows fall, so I can remove it easily. I'm gonna use much of my powder, so any eyeshadow can be in my base. I'm gonna take a base color and going for my skin shade color, and then apply it to my crease area, I guess. Then I'm going to apply it to my other eye, just a little. It will look good, believe me. Next up I'm going to use a reddish color, and I did my other eye. I'm going to do it this eye. How I did my eye, just it's written below, so you can check it out. And now I'm going to use some silver glitter to my cut crease area where I put my concealer. because it will look good. So that's why I don't use too much golden glitter. I use silver glitter. Until that's not good, until the place is not shiny, I'm gonna use more glitter to make it look even good. After that, I'm gonna use the same shade I use on my eyeshadow first and blend it together with the glitter, so it will look half part or half part. It will look good. So I'm gonna do it right now. So I'm just blending with a pointing brush. But with a fluffy brush, it will get out of the line you made it. So I'm gonna make a line now and do it. You can look, I have so many eyeshadows under my eye where I put my powder. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna show you how I do my wing liner. First I just do my liner. Just see it, you can understand it. I can't explain you with my words, so just see. So first I did a wing, and now I'm going to join them from my the inside eye, whatever, the eyeball part, from the eyeball part. Now I'm gonna join them so it will look good. So it's look good. Then I create a small fox liner thing, and then I'm gonna use kajal in my below eye, I guess. I don't know how to say. And then I'm gonna use again liner to join them with my wing liner. Guys, I don't know how to say makeup things because I'm new in this profession. Then I'm gonna use mascara because why not? Mascara is good. Then I'm gonna use a golden eyeliner, the place where I put my glitter, and the concealer where I start concealer and then use my glitter to that line. I'm gonna use this golden shining eyeliner, so it will look good. Like this is the part where it starts, so it will look like that. So try to make it more even. Now I'm gonna do my contour, nose contour. I'm gonna use a brown shade and put it the two side of my nose, and then I'm gonna take a glitter shade from my palette, which I take from my eye, and I'm gonna just rub it. You think this is too much, but no, I'm gonna blend it with my hand. Don't use anything, but it blends good with your hand. Now it's look good. Now I'm gonna use more glitter to make it shinier, because why not when you have good highlighter. So I'm just gonna put some highlighter under my eyebrow and some specific place like my under my nose and the lip place. Okay, because this look good. Now I'm gonna do my blush. I'm gonna choose this red blush because I have an under shade tone, so it don't look good pink color. So I'm gonna use a red color because I'm a black. Okay, so that's why. So I'm gonna use, you know how blush use. So I'm gonna use my blush. I'm gonna make a face like a fish. Then I look good. I'm gonna do my famous dance, my happy dance. Then I'm gonna use the same palette, the highlighter palette. I'm gonna use my highlighting. Sorry, I'm just doing like this. I'm gonna do voiceover. So I'm gonna use highlighter, the place where I put my blush on, because highlighting is good. It's really good. Now I'm gonna use lipsticks. It's Lakme lipstick. First, it smells so good. Now I'm just gonna apply it. Like first I'm gonna create the line and then applying it. The lipstick is the most important part in your makeup. If it's disturbed, and then it's gonna be bad, like literally bad. Then I'm gonna do my upper lip. The upper lip one is literally so serious, and I mistakes it so much time. Because today is not the day. I did it for the first time without any wrongly way, and this looks so good. I can't even explain this to you guys. It looks so good. I guess my favorite color is red. I'm even wearing red lipstick, red color eyeshadow, red t-shirt, whatever. I'm gonna do my dress right now. So first I'm gonna do my hair, and first I just parted my some hair into two and then ponytailed my other half hair. Sorry guys, other half hair. Sorry guys. Then I'm gonna just roll it the two parts here, and then secure it with a clip so it won't get out whenever you dance. And then the do it other part. My mom is doing it. I can't do my own hair. Sorry guys. My mom is gonna just roll it other half and just moving my head. Sometimes it's difficult doing the left side of your hair. Sometimes it's literally difficult, guys, trust me. And then also secure it with a hairpin or clip, whatever you say. And then my mom is gonna do something magically, and so now my mom is gonna take another rubber band to take the excess of the roller part and secure it with the rubber band to the ponytail also, so it don't look good now when any hair falls out from your hair. So now my mom gonna take a hair bun, and then my mom is magically doing something, putting a hairpin. It's just a hairpin. It secures your hair with the bun. Then using another hairpin, and now my mom is parting two ways and putting my other half, and it's gonna look like this, a perfect bun. Then using a small rubber band, and it's gonna look a perfect bun. Then my mom is what gonna do with the other half hair is just rolling them or making a braid with them, so she can like roll it like a bun. So I guess she's rolling. Yes, she's rolling. And now she's gonna roll all the way around to my bun like that, so it won't like my mom actually does my bun like khopa, what we say in Bengali, with my own hair. She doesn't use fake bun, so that's how she. And now is the time for jewelry, and first I'm gonna wear a choker type silver jewelry. My mom is gonna wear it to my neck, and I'm gonna flame it. Choker type jewelry first. And then a baju thing. What is this called? I don't know, sorry, but a baju thing, whatever it called. Then I'm gonna wear it to my other hand, so it will look good. So why wearing only one hand? You can wear on. Then I'm gonna wear it to my other hand baju. I don't think you know, but when you learn Odissi, the day when you are performing, you have to eat only veg. You can't eat non-veg. It is a trend you can call, or it is a thing you have to follow learning Odissi, but not every day. The day when you perform. And now I'm gonna wear a long har or jewelry, silver jewelry, which is so good. And usually this Odissi jewelry don't have any clip to secure it with the jewelry, so I'm gonna secure it with a safety pin. It doesn't have anything to lock it, so I'm gonna secure it with a safety pin. you don't want any jewelry fall when you danced. So next is the belt. It's a long belt, I know, but my mom is gonna say first secure it with your blouse or whatever you're wearing. Just the jewelry won't get like this side or this side when you're dancing. So just secure it with a safety pin in a blouse or whatever you're wearing, so it will look good. So this is the belt, which is so heavy. I guess it's 10 pound or whatever it is, but this is so heavy. I know. Trust me, when you are an Odissi dancer, you have to wear so many things, and it's also look good. It's also enthemed with red tar or whatever you said that, and it's look good, guys. And now I'm gonna do my some exercise in my head. And I'm gonna put a tiara statistically, whatever you can say, and I'm gonna secure the two side, which is some kind of, I guess, what something, and I'm gonna secure that with a hair clip, so it won't get fall. It won't fall when you're dancing. And don't regret my bad thobra because I'm doing on my own, so don't. And my sister also is helping me because my mom can't do it on her own because it's too hard. So I'm gonna secure it at the other side with a safety pin, not a clip, hair clip. And yes, I know that's my thobra. It looks so bad. And it's straight. And now this is the main part of the back side of your head. I'm gonna wear a one full white color, and then I'm gonna use my this topor. You can say topor, not topor. This is a flower thing. It will make your hair look so good. I'm gonna wear a one thing also because it's look good. And the beads color is green and red. And be careful of that. If you don't secure it good, it's gonna fall out. So I have to secure it with good. So I have to tie it so it won't fall out. Look at that, the beautiful thing. Look at that. This is my sister notification. Look at that. This looks so good. Isn't it?
আমাদের 7 নম্বর
Good. My sister giving you a So now this is the final result. My mom is filming and this is the real close-up look of my full Odissi makeover. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment which video I should do next. Thank you. Bye bye guys.